What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Rod, and I'm back with another POV. I'm running late to my appointment for my I don't know why I say appointment, but I'm running late to my I gotta drop the car off to the dealership to get serviced, well, maintenance. So it opened up at 8, but as you can see, I'm running late. Hopefully the camera don't cut off cause it's on charger. What the fuck? But them on brakes. Anyway, hope it don't run dead cause it's on 0, so it's on charger right now. How y'all boys been? Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe for more POVs. I seen a couple snowflakes earlier today, but it probably gone now, so. Dude. American wings, what the fuck? Then there used to be a Burger King right there. What the fuck? Hey, I guess when that opens, I'm gonna try that. Bro, come on, bro. Fucking slow ass shit in the way. Damn, bro. The fuck is that? Oh, now you want to speed up. Fuck. Shit crazy, bro. I know, I keep hearing brakes. I don't know, bro. I mean, I finna get them changed anyway. If it is my brakes, I keep hearing. Bro, I ain't ask you all that, bro. Oh my God, bro. Y'all, bro, these niggas drive so slow, bro. Bro, this shit insane, bro. Okay, now you want to speed up. Now I'm on your ass. They gonna drive slow when you's in front of me though. If I ain't talking, my bad, I apologize. I gotta start back. I gotta start talking more. I'm just saying I'm a morning person, so I was just letting y'all hear the car. So, oh look, it's snowing. Hey, glad. I don't know what type of snow that is, but hey, it's falling down. We got the Great Value snow. That's crazy. What the fuck y'all doing? I'm getting in front of this fucking BMW, bro. This Wagon, Jeep, whoever. I gotta get in front of you niggas, bro. Fuck out the way, man. Come on, Ford. Bro, it's cold as hell today. I think like 20 degrees today in Alabama. Like, where the snow at? Everybody. Oh. Oops. Everybody getting snow in Tennessee, Georgia, like down south. Bro, where is our snow at, bro? Alright, bro, where's our snow in Alabama, bro? Well, Montgomery, Alabama, because some parts of Alabama did snow. Montgomery never snowed, so. What the fuck is that? Well, we made it to the dealership. Dang. Oh my God. They got a lot of electrical shit out here. They got bro, I seen, is that M8? That glass. Bro, they had, wait, is that a G90? I think the G90 still up here. Okay. The whole building opened up at 9 o'clock. I'll show y'all the G90 when I come back, if they let me. But I'm at the BMW service. I'm in line, and yeah, I seen I don't know if that a competition or not, but the M8. But yeah, glad this is the end of the video. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next video.